Hello, dear investors. The analytical community is in touch with you. System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the corporation's summary data. A little further, we will consider each parameter in more detail. If you want, you can put a stop. You can look at all the indicators of the organization in question in more detail. Now let's analyze the company's current fundamental indicators. Blueprint Medicines Corp, ticker BPMC. This review is based on current data as of June 8, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company Blueprint Medicines Corp belongs to the subcategory Oncology Targeted Therapy. 22 companies are involved in the analysis, which is quite representative. Look for solutions on orders at the end of this video. Overall result for the company under study, -8 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 0.3 points. If you look at it very broadly, within the framework of the entire stock market as a whole, you can see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 8 points for the company Blueprint Medicines Corp. By comparing the movement of the company's stock price, Blueprint Medicines Corp, and subcategory companies, we see that over the last 12 months, the shares Blueprint Medicines Corp showed a dynamics of 25.5%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 22%. Market capitalization of a corporation Blueprint Medicines amounts to $8.26 billion. With a market capitalization of $53 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.34 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of $14 billion, the subcategory is worth $14 billion. Having compared the shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we will see the following. Share Blueprint Medicines in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 15.506%. The book value is 2.381%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The financial liabilities of the company under analysis amount to $0.711 billion. Debt to book value is 208% of equity. The company's financial liabilities rating, very bad, -2 points. The company's stock market value to profit ratio is 0, with an average for the subcategory of 0. Evaluation of the company's stock price to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$156 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $59 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 14.7. The average in the subcategory is 7.8. Evaluation of the company's stock price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, TALET, -0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $560 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the indicators of expected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The sales margin is -27.7%, with an average for the subcategory of -16.1%. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, TALET, -0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 9.155%. This is 69% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is equal to $12,722,000, and in the subcategory, $7,512,000. Evaluation of the company's capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's profit per employee is -$239,900. Average in the subcategory, -$155,900. Evaluation of the company's profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, TALET, -0.5 points. The company's revenue share per employee is $866,000. Subcategory, $968,000. Sales per employee assessment compared to the performance of companies in the subcategory, passable, -0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 9.1%, compared to the average for the subcategory of 8.3%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 76% for the company Blueprint Medicines Corp. For the subcategory, this level is 65%. The company's actual share price is around $128. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $132. Let's go to the order table. It is available to everyone. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made in a given season by the stock evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the securities analysis Blueprint Medicines Information and Reference System of Assessment Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a trade on the decline at $127.85 per share. The order was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly low valuation. The company's assessment was carried out using the assessment approach, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 109.96. Stop loss is set at 145.74. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is fixed automatically based on the results of the trading session on July 8, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker GMAB will be the main purchase transaction. The video of the main deal has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the basic or the balancing one, the second order is closed at the last price. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system, Guru Markets.